Hello, my name is Dr. Caroline Dimond and I'm the Director of Public Health for Torbay Council. Last week and the week before, I appealed to you all to take COVID a bit more seriously, as at the time, our rates were rising in the Bay exponentially. I asked for your help and I asked you to push out messages to ensure everybody knew what they could do to help and bring these rates down. Now, many of you did respond. You've retweeted and you've offered support. As I speak, over 90 of you have also signed up to be COVID champions, and they're going to be our foot soldiers. It's not too late if you want to join. Many of you have also been brave enough to share your stories with us, and we'll be doing some video work and pushing those out soon as well. So I'd like to thank all of you who did this. We're all making a fantastic effort. Now, the really good news is that the rates are now coming down and the cases that we're seeing coming through are falling. In the last week, we had 189 cases, down from 270 the week before and 344 the week before that. This means that our rate overall has fallen from 239 per 100,000 to 139 per 100,000. And in Brixham, where we were particularly worried, it has fallen from over 600, it was 647, to about 200 per 100,000. So this is really good news. You've demonstrated also that together we can do this. And by sticking to the rules and caring for each other, probably in a slightly different way, the people in Torbay, whether you're in Torquay, Paynton or Brixham, you can work together and you can turn things around. Now, next week, we'll be coming out of lockdown. Now, I've no idea what that will mean, but I'm also worried because I'm worried that the great work that you've all done in the last few weeks will get undone. We do need to keep up our focus. Now, obviously, people want to prepare for Christmas. They want to buy presents and food to celebrate with their loved ones. But I'm asking you, please, to try and remember what you've achieved in the last 2 weeks. And I wanted to reiterate the 5 things I asked you to do last time. So those are, firstly, get a test if you've got symptoms and self-isolate while you wait for the results. Secondly, to continue to self-isolate if you test positive. Upload your contacts on the Track and Trace website, and if possible, advise your contacts to isolate while you're waiting to be contacted by Track and Trace. The third thing is really to encourage your friends and families to do the same, and to let people know that the self-isolation and discretionary payments are available through the council. So those are for people who will struggle to self-isolate. Fourthly, maybe encourage your people around you to also follow the rules, the hands, face and space advice. The most important of those is space. And fifthly, please download the message, send it out to your own social media channels and tell people all about it on the phone, etc. Now, there's another one I wanted to add today, and that was about flu. So it's flu season at the moment, and some of you would be eligible, and it's probably more important than ever that you get the flu jab this time. So you can get that through your GP, your pharmacy, or through the school. So if you haven't already had it, I would encourage you to do that as well. It will also help keep the pressure off the NHS at this busy time. So in the last 2 weeks, we have all demonstrated that together we can win the battle of COVID. But we still need to win the war, and we still need to keep those rates down. Let's not let it get the better of us again, especially in the run up to Christmas. Thank you.